Hey again, this is Dean with eXp Realty, and on today's episode, we're going to be discussing this majestic animal, the burrowing owl. So for the next 17 hours, we're going to discuss everything.
Absolutely not. We're talking about real estate. This is what it's all about. And today, I'm introducing another new construction home that was just finished in the gorgeous, beautiful Cape Coral, Florida. Check it out.